we present to your attention a Sapacitive discharge welding tool, CDWT-6001. We will show its work on the example of welding wires to a strain gauge. To begin with, we will secure the strain gauge lead wires with a temporary bracket so that the leads do not accidentally break off during operation. Switch the machine to low power mode for welding thin wires and weld the wires to the strain gauge leads. The low power mode is shown by a dot on the indicator. Strain gauge leads diameter 0.15 mm. Welder allows to weld thinner or thicker leads. We had weld wire to the first strain gauge lead. Let's weld wire to the second strain gauge lead. For welding strain gauge leads of wires, we use thin copper plate, which is connected by clamp and flexible copper braid to the welder. Due to the fact that the temporary fixing bracket is insulated with polyimide film, it does not short-circuit the strain gauge leads to each other and to the body, which allows you to check the integrity of the strain gauge and the absence of short circuits to the body. Now we can secure the wire with a foil staple. To avoid having to press the button on the gun of welder for each welding point, switch the welder to automatic pulse delivery mode when the electrode is pressed against the workpiece. This mode is indicated by a flashing dot. Now, we will weld a permanent bracket, so let's increase the power a little bit to make holding dots stronger. At the finish, wires are welded and fixed. Now, the welding spots must be covered with heat-treated ceramic cement, and after that, temporary bracket can be removed.